Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for that perfect contour product, something that's easy to apply but still gives you that flawless sculpted look, this might be the one you're looking for. Today, I'm diving into the Kiko Milano Sculpting Touch Creamy Stick Contour, a buildable, long-lasting contour stick that's designed to blend effortlessly into the skin. So, let's see if this product really holds up to its claims. This contour stick comes in a sleek stick format, which I love for its portability and convenience. It's got a matte finish and is buildable, which means you can go as light or as intense as you want with your contour. The shade I'm testing out today is 201 Chocolate, which is a rich, medium brown. It's perfect for adding some depth and structure to the face without looking too harsh or muddy. When I first applied it, the texture felt smooth and creamy, not at all dry, like some other contour sticks can be. It was really easy to swipe across my cheekbones, jawline, and the sides of my forehead. What really impressed me was how effortlessly it blended out with just a makeup sponge. I didn't have to spend a lot of time working it into the skin. It melted right in. The finish is matte, so it's not too dewy or shiny, which is great if you have oily skin like I do. In terms of real-world use, I tried this contour stick on multiple occasions, during my daily routine, for a long day at work, and even for a night out. It held up pretty well throughout the day, staying in place without needing any touch-ups, which is huge for me. The buildable coverage is definitely a standout feature. Whether you want a light, natural contour or something more sculpted, this product gives you that flexibility. It lasted all day long, and there was no need for setting powder to keep it in place. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Kiko Milano Sculpting Touch Creamy Stick has a smooth, creamy texture that blends easily and provides a matte finish without drying out the skin. The buildable coverage is great, especially if you like to customize your contour to your own preferences. Plus, the stick format makes it super easy to apply on the go. On the downside, while the product itself is solid, the color selection is a bit limited. For those with deeper skin tones, this shade might not be dark enough to create a dramatic contour. So, if you're looking for something more intense, you might have to look elsewhere. Also, while the formula is long-lasting, it could still smudge or fade slightly in more humid conditions, but that's something that can happen with any cream product. As for the price, Kiko Milano is known for offering affordable beauty products, and this contour stick is no exception. Given its performance, I'd say it's well worth the price. It's definitely more affordable than some high-end contour sticks, but the quality is comparable. If you're someone who wants to build your makeup collection without breaking the bank, this is a great option to consider. If you're comparing this to other similar products, one alternative you might want to check out is the NYX Wonder Stick, which has a similar stick formula with dual shades for contouring and highlighting. However, the Kiko Milano product has the edge in terms of texture and ease of blending. It's also a bit more affordable, so if you're on a budget, this one might be a better fit. When it comes to the packaging, I like how compact and travel-friendly this contour stick is. It's easy to throw in your bag without worrying about it getting damaged. There's nothing fancy about the packaging, but it feels sturdy, and you get a decent amount of product for the price. In terms of value for money, this product is definitely a great deal. You're getting a high-quality contour stick that performs well without the hefty price tag of some high-end brands. And considering that you can build up the coverage, it's versatile enough to work for both casual and more dramatic makeup looks. To wrap things up, I'd say the Kiko Milano Sculpting Touch Creamy Stick Contour is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use contour product. It delivers on its promises with smooth application, buildable coverage, and long-lasting wear. While the shade range could be expanded for deeper tones, it's a great option for those with medium to fair skin. If this review helped you out, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this contour stick, drop a comment below to share your experience. I'd love to know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.